This screencast is going to overview a couple of features of the new Google Sheets. They've added some capabilities that the old version didn't have. The new features will not apply to your old sheets that you've created before this update. So if you don't see the exact features I'm talking about on some of your spreadsheet views, it may be that the project you're looking at was created with the old version of Google Sheets. So at this point forward, you would be able to see the difference. And if you're not sure, well, how do I know at a glance if I'm looking at the new version or not? Look up here, because add-ons indicates that this is the new layout, the fact that add-ons is here. Add-ons is where you can go to attach different scripts really easily to your Google Sheet, like Flubaroo, which is also discussed in this module. Just to name one, there's many options here that I'd encourage you to explore. So another cool thing than just having the add-ons nice and easily and convenient right there is that you can add multiple tabs, and you have the ability to now color code your tabs, which could be handy if you are assigning different tabs to different kids or different tabs to different classes. Maybe you're using a spreadsheet to configure some kind of grade book, or maybe even a rubric, which are great uses for spreadsheets, and you can color code tabs for ease of organization. You can also rename your tabs here so that your tab is not called Sheet 1, and you can move sheets to the right or left depending where it is, or delete them or copy them or things like that with that little arrow. Up here at the top of the column, you also have arrows that will appear if you're kind of hovering up toward the right hand area of the cell, and that drop down will allow you to hide or delete columns or move them left or right. Sorting can be easily done from this view too. So if you have some words in here, let me just add some data. I don't know why I picked those words, but if I wanted to sort those words, I could sort from A to Z and it would put them in alphabetical order, or I could sort from Z to A if I'm trying to sort students, or if I have a bunch of assignment submissions from my assignment Dropbox on a spreadsheet, because that's how an assignment Dropbox comes into you as a spreadsheet view. You can sort them by period and then have all period 1 students assignments and then all period 2 students assignments. So sorting is a really great thing. I can also grab this column when it looks like a little hand, and I can move it to somewhere else on the spreadsheet really easily like that. And of course there's all your other basic functions that are pretty well the same as what the old version had. Commenting ability, sharing ability, seeing revision history, making a copy of it, publishing to the web or downloading it as Excel or some other format, emailing to somebody. A lot of other similarity functions, but I wanted to point out the color coding and the sorting and the add-ons kind of built in right here. I encourage you to explore more and see how Sheets might work for you. Thanks.